The flamingo. Flamingo is a bird that belongs to the Phanicopteridae family. This bird is a species of long-legged birds such as egrets. It has long legs and a long curved neck. Flamingos also have a beak structure that is shaped in such a way that it is used to filter water and mud in the process of looking for food. These structures are called lamella, which are also found in other filter-feeding aquatic birds. The characteristic feature of the flamingo is the blood red or pink fur that dominates its body. This is what makes this bird easy to recognize and remember by humans. This color they get after entering adulthood. Newborn young flamingos have gray fur. They get this red color from bacteria and beta-carotene in their food. Its main food is shrimp, algae, and also other small water animals. Healthy flamingos generally have a lighter color. Shrimp and algae are the most common sources of beta-carotene for flamingos. The flamingo's habitat is large shallow lakes, lagoons, mangroves and sandy islands. There are 6 types of flamingos known to man. Four of them are found in the Americas and the other 2 species are found in Africa, Europe, and Asia. Flamingos have a unique habit of standing on one leg. This position can be done thanks to their long webbed legs. It is also still a debate among scientists about the reason. The flamingo conservation status has begun to be threatened for some species. This is certainly a concern of the government in efforts to preserve flamingos.